Yep, it's that time of year again. Open enrollment for healthcare is here, and there's great news. There are new health plan options on the Health Plan Exchange and Obamacare Marketplace for 2020 coverage. Companies like Bright Health, Ambetter, and Oscar, the Google of healthcare, are coming to town. They will all be competitively priced with new, robust networks of doctors and hospitals, concierge teams, and some will even pay you to stay healthy by adding cash to your Visa Rewards card for just getting your annual physical done. These new plans are modern health plans and are built for the way we live today. Some of you may qualify for plans that will not cost you a penny and have a copay as low as $0 to see a doctor. Remember, open enrollment is only a 45-day window, November 1st to December 15th, and it will be literally over before you know it. So, what are you waiting for? It's simple. All you have to do is register, and we will send you the new plan options. You can sign up online or have a caring licensed agent reach out to you within minutes to answer any questions you may have. You may also visit any one of our 40-plus care centers during open enrollment for help in person. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you have a bright and healthy day.